Good morning, everybody. Custom crate engines here by Proformance Unlimited. Another 427 Windsor. Gorgeous, gorgeous stroker motor. Just got done making about 627 foot-pounds of torque. That's wild. That really is fantastic. Right where you want it in the RPM band where you'll be running. Made almost 590 horsepower. This one was painted black valve covers, everything. Gorgeous. Over here at Proformance Unlimited, we custom build the way you would like your engine to look. So if you have any questions on any one of our builds, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Hey, I always say, the proof is in the performance. Peace. How's that for firing up? Wait till it comes down to our target RPM.